The beauty of a garden is not only because of the flowers and plants that grow there, it is also because of its butterflies, colorful, delicate. There are so many butterflies in this garden. Why is this so? Can we too attract butterflies? The answer is yes. But we will have to do something for that. This is the topic for today. Let's grow a butterfly garden. We know that a butterfly is a type of insect. Like every insect, a butterfly's body is also made of 3 segments. The segments are head, thorax, and abdomen. It has 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings too. To know more about insects, you can watch the video Identifying Insects. These butterflies have come here in search of nectar. They feed on the juice of flowers and leaves. They are sucking the nectar by inserting their proboscis into the flower. Each butterfly visits a specific plant or flower for nectar. This garden therefore has only those flowers and plants which are food for butterflies. Thus, to attract butterflies, we will have to grow these plants that attract butterflies towards them. Which are these flowers? These flowers are marigold, hibiscus, ixora, pentas, scarlet milkweed, oleander, crepe jasmine, and lantana. We can plant several other flowering plants like these. Some of these plants will be easily available around us, but we may have to look for some or buy them from a nursery. Some wild flowers and grasses also attract butterflies. This caterpillar is eating the leaves of a Calotropis plant. It is a baby butterfly. A butterfly called plain tiger butterfly had laid its eggs on this Calotropis plant. The caterpillar hatched out of those eggs. The caterpillar will feed on the Calotropis leaves and grow. This marmon butterfly is laying its eggs on the lemon plant. When the caterpillar hatches out, it will have plenty of lemon leaves to feed on. These leaves are its food. Actually, caterpillars of different butterfly species feed on leaves of different plants. Thus, if we plant a variety of those plants that different butterfly caterpillars eat, we will soon have many types of butterflies visiting our garden. These are some plants that caterpillars eat. So, did you understand? We need to grow 2 kinds of plants in this butterfly garden. One that provide nectar to butterflies. These are called nectar plants. The second, which are a host for the caterpillars, larval host plants. We will have to make arrangements for food for both adults and their young ones. We now know which plants to grow. But where do we grow them? You do not need a large area to make a butterfly garden. The space around your house or your school's playground is enough too. Just make sure that the spot you choose gets plenty of sunlight. Find out if the soil in that area is good. If not, arrange to improve it. Then, plant the seedlings. Plant them as close to each other as possible. It's very important to take care of the plants you have planted. Give them water in the right quantity at the right time. Take care not to give too much or too little water. You can even install a drip irrigation system in your garden. This will not only save water but also ensure that plants get enough water. Arrange to protect the plants from sheep, goats and cattle. Remember, do not spray chemical pesticides or use chemical fertilizers in the butterfly garden. Butterflies do not visit areas where too much of chemicals have been used. Is there any other way to attract the butterflies? Yes, there is. Do you see how these butterflies are happily sucking the juice from these ripe and rotten fruits? We can have a similar basket of rotten fruits. Butterflies would be attracted to these fruits and we would then be able to observe them. You can grow plants in your butterfly garden and keep a basket of rotten fruits as well. Why are these butterflies sitting on wet soil? The soil does not have juice. Soil has salts, and the butterflies suck these salts out of the soil. This is called mud puddling. Butterflies will definitely visit our butterfly garden if we have wet soil there. Have an area in your butterfly garden that gets sunlight in the morning. This is because the right time to watch the butterflies is after sunrise. You will be able to observe how they open and close their wings in the morning sunlight. They do this to receive energy from the sun. They start flying as soon as they get warm. If you observe carefully, you will be able to see which butterflies are found around you. Observe the plants they visit. If you grow the same plants in your garden, the butterflies will come there too, and you will have a beautiful butterfly garden of your own. You will feel happy watching so many colorful butterflies around you. But this is not the only reason to have a butterfly garden. Butterflies play an important role in pollination too. Pollination will be better if there are butterflies around. And if pollination is good, the number of plants will increase. Nature and the web of life remains safe wherever there are butterflies. So this is the task for you today. You must also create a butterfly garden in your vicinity. Observe the butterflies that visit your garden. Click their pictures. If possible, make a video also and share it too.